that piece was 10 inches wide, 10 feet wide. We only needed 9, so I went out and laid it out. So I stood it up on end and lifted it up and dropped it down a couple of times, so it flushed itself on the ends. You want to make sure you do that before you cut it, or you're gonna have an issue. Looking pretty good here. Kind of off on that line a little bit. But I'm just going to cut it about ½ inch longer than I need, and I'll be able to adjust it as we go anyway. And I'm going to use the Sawzall to do that. I've got no real other choice in the matter. I'll cut this. I was going to leave the plastic on here, but I think I'm going to take the plastic off real quick. As you can see, I got it supported a couple times here. Because I need to be able to cut it. I need it. This top piece is not the way I want it. And you might notice that they rolled it the wrong way again. I meant to remind her to tell them I want it rolled inside out. So I can roll it out right the first time. And right now, I'm going to re-roll it. I don't have a sharp knife. Oh, there's a serrated. I'll line the surface one up. Get the rest of it pretty close with the top one here, isn't it? Okay. Straighten this. The other was the way we got the damage. I'm coming all the way up to that. Supposedly that end has got the damage issue. Several favors by doing the shrink wrap right now. I don't know. Let's see. We got some duct tape. Tape it. Okay. In good shape. I'm gonna go with some duct tape so I can retape that and keep it in line. Alright, I already got my duct tape and I taped it tight, and then I went ahead and marked my cut, and 57, as long as I stay right on my duct tape mark, I should be in good shape. Oh shoot. I got it 57 3/4. I got plenty to play with. There's that there's 57, about 57 and a half. At that far end. I'll give myself an extra, that extra ½ inch or 3/4 to play with. Get this rocking and rolling here. And I marked it at 57. Yeah, I think about 58. And I'm going to follow right on that with the Sawzall. And it should do the trick. On that side, I got this side going to be good. So let's get this motor running here. Get some glasses on here just in case. I don't want stuff in my eye. This is cutting it as straight as possible. I'm using a wood, just a wood, wood blade. Yeah. Wood's out. Trying to keep as much weight off of your cut as possible. There. More twist, right? Yeah. I'm back here. Okay. Close. Little piece hanging. One little piece. That's it. See how we did. Okay. Probably shouldn't have stopped cutting and restarted. So I got a little bit of a mess right here. That's alright. We knew that was scissors. I'm not gonna mess it up anymore. And I had to. So, basically lesson learned. Don't stop and restart. Just go ahead and keep cutting. Go right around. Keep it in line. You don't have a smooth cut. But that's all right, because this side here is going to go under the trim anyway, and that's my clean side. It's going to mate with the other flooring to have a commercial cut. So there we are, and this one here will go down the hallway, and I only need like 48 wide on this one here, so I'll probably cut that next. I can make sure this is perfectly flush on both ends. Sweet. All right, this is enough. It'll be much easier to manhandle now. Yeah, it'll be easy to, both of them easy to manhandle. I should have had her cut them. You could have them cut them there. And I didn't even think about it. Because she went, I didn't go, so I was looking at something else. But they will cut it to the size that you want it. You'll have to still buy the whole 12-inch roll, but you'll at least, I believe they will definitely cut it to the size you want. Couple more nails. Okay.